Hello friends, welcome to the series Committees of Constituent Assembly. In our previous video, we have seen some interesting facts of Constituent Assembly, and now we will start dealing with the committees one by one. In this particular episode, we are going to deal and give a glimpse of Committee on Rules of Procedure. Now, this was a committee which was fundamentally formed as to how the entire Constituent Assembly would run. On 10th of December 1946, Acharya Kripalani moved a resolution for appointment of this committee. It was decided to have 15 members and only 15 nominations were received. So there was no question of having any election of members. Now who were these 15 members? Jagjivan Ram, Sarat Chandra Bose, F.R. Anthony, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Bakshi Tek Chand, Rafi Ahmad Kidwai, Mrs. G. Durgabai, Joseph Alban D'Souza, N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, Purushottam Das Tandon, Gopinath Bardolia, B. P. Sitaramaiah, K. M. Munshi, Meher Chand Khanna, Sardar Harnam Singh. So these were the 15 members. And what was the intention of this committee? To frame rules of procedure of assembly, organizing of work of assembly like appointments, functions, powers of the office bearers, procedure for declaration and filing of vacancies in the assembly, fixing the allowances of the members. The members were given allowances. It also fixed what should be the salaries and allowances to the staff which would be there of the Constituent Assembly. This committee gave its report on 20th of December 1946. The chairman of this committee was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Now certain features of these reports are as follows. It mentioned definitions for assembly, like what is a chairman, who is a member, what are sections, what are statements. Especially statements means the statement of Cabinet Mission of India, how business should be conducted, arrangement of business, language in the assembly. Fundamentally, it was said that any member could speak in either Hindustani or English. But in exceptional cases, if a member is not able to speak Hindustani or English, he could speak in his own mother tongue. It was decided that certain meetings would be held in camera. Now, I am just clarifying it. In camera does not mean actually doing a shooting work of a meeting. In camera means those particular meetings are held in closed doors and no records of that meeting are published. That is in camera meetings. Another interesting fact, how election petitions should be heard. There is one important aspect. The person filing the election petition, that is the petitioner, was required to give a deposit of 1,000 in cash, I am talking of 1946, or in government promissory notes as a security for the cost of the case. This particular report recommended 3 other committees: Steering Committee, Staff and Finance Committee, and Credentials Committee. This we will deal in our subsequent videos. So if you see this particular committee, this is like an administrative committee of a Constituent Assembly. This decided the rules, the manner, the function, how the Constituent Assembly would work. So this is one of the important committees of Constituent Assembly. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you.